So the first thing you'll need to do is take a bowl like this one, put in your shredded paper. Now if you don't have shredded paper, totally understand. Use newspaper, cut it up, works just the same, and you'll get a really good dough. And then basically fill it with hot water. So the kettle's just boiled, and I'm going to fill it up to the top. I might have to add a bit more hot water, and then we're going to leave it overnight. So here's more boiling water. And you basically just want it to cover it. There we go. It's very hot, so be very careful. Now, if you don't use hot water, that's fine. I made it before using cold water. Just the hot water really helps break down the fibers of the paper and hopefully will make a smoother clay. Anyway, so we'll leave that overnight and then we'll come back to it. So this has been overnight. It's nice and soft. It's quite a lot of water in there. I'm going to leave the water in there for now because it'll help pulp it. Now I'm going to use a hand blender. Now please ask for permission to use it if you're using your parents' or somebody else's, and make sure it's, well, this one's quite new and quite strong. So I'm just going to literally blend it. Okay, so we have our really lovely squishy mulch. Now there's still quite a lot of water in here, so I will take this and give it a good squeeze over the sink and get excess water out, but this is looking really good. And then we'll add the gluing paste. Okay, so I've taken out quite a lot of the water. In fact, look how much water came out. That's quite a lot. And I've halved the pulp, mainly because I want to do different videos showing you the different glue techniques. This one's the easiest of them all. I'm just going to take some flour. This is all-purpose flour. Doesn't matter if it's self-raising or not. And I'm just going to sprinkle it over the top, and I'm going to mix it all up. So this is basically your flour and water mixture. Because your pulp still has quite a lot of water in it, you don't have to add extra water. I'm also going to add just a tiny bit of salt because I want to keep this over the summer in an airtight container in the fridge, and I don't want it going off because it will go off otherwise. And then you just mix it up. There's no exact science to this. You just need to add quite a bit of flour. I'm going to add quite a lot, until you kind of start feeling it clumping together and feeling as if it's going to stick. It's actually a really nice process. This is lovely. If you do like being exact, I think a very rough measure is something like 1 part flour to about 3 parts of the pulp. And then just see if you can mold it. If you can mold it into shapes and it holds its shape, then it's probably ready. Look, I think that's quite good. What do you think? That's a little heart. So yes, so now I'm going to put this into an airtight container, and then when you're ready to use it, you have your own DIY shredded paper clay. So cheap, so thrifty, so frugal, and really great to work with. And we'll be doing more projects on Red Ted Art with this soon. In the meantime, you can check out the paper mache fruity bowls that we made previously. Anyway, as always, this is your craft basic, so this is to help you do other projects in the future. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. Take care, bye.